Hello crafties, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to crochet the brick stitch. It is super easy. So, it's great, it's breathable, and it's beginner friendly, and you can work it in multiple colors or you can just work it in one color. Without further ado, I'm going to jump right into the tutorial. Okay, so to begin this stitch, what we're going to do is make a slip knot on our hook, and we are going to chain in increments of 4 plus 1, and then we're going to add another one. So I'm going to chain 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then I'm going to add one, and then another one. Okay, now onto row 1. For row 1, we are going to single crochet into that second chain from our hook. So not this one, but this one. We're going to insert our hook and make that single crochet. Alright, now what I'm going to do is chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to skip 3 stitches along this chain. So 1, 2, 3. Gonna single crochet into that 4th one. Alright, and I'm going to chain 3 again. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to skip 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to single crochet into that 4th stitch. Alright, and now I'm going to do that one more time. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to single crochet into that last chain of my row. Of course, you would continue to move on for the remainder of your row, and then you'll end it right if you're single crocheting into that last chain. And this is what row 1 looks like so far. Now for row 2, what we're going to do is chain 3, and yes, that chain 3 counts as a stitch. 1, 2, 3. Gonna turn my work, and I'm going to work into these chain spaces, and what I'm going to do is make 3 double crochet. Right, after we make that 3rd double crochet, what we're going to do is chain 1, and then we are going to skip that single crochet between there, and we are going to work 3 double crochet in our next little section here. Chain 1, and I'm going to work 3 more double crochets into this last section. 2 and 3. And then I'm going to double crochet into the top of that chain from the previous row. Sorry, that's single crochet. Alright, now we're on to row 3. For row 3, we're going to chain 1, turn our work. We are going to single crochet into the base of that chain 1. Alright, and then we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. We're going to skip these next 3 double crochets and work in that chain space from the previous row with a single crochet. Alright, then we're going to chain another 3. And we're going to do the same thing for each section. come into that last one, that last chain of the row, we're going to single crochet into that. Alright, and then what we'll do is repeat row 2. So we're going to chain 3, turn our work, and we are going to place 3 double crochets into this first section. 1, 2, and 3. Then I'm going to chain 1. I'm going to skip that single crochet from the previous row and work 3 double crochet into that chain space. Alright, skip that next single crochet, and I'm working into my last chain space of this row. Alright, and then I'm going to double crochet on top of that single crochet from the previous row. And you should end up with something like this. This has been the brick stitch. Thank you for making it to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. If so, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Let me know how I did. Don't forget to comment down below. Let me know what kinds of tutorials you'd like to see in the future. Also, don't forget to check out my other social media pages. I'm on pretty much everything except for Snapchat. And don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you never miss out on awesome weekly content like this. I post crochet tutorials every Sunday at 9:30 a.m. CST. And until next time, guys, happy making.